Good morning to everybody. So we are doing exercise 9.1. So we completed till question number 3. So we will start question number 4 today. Okay. Draw the number line and represent the following rational number on it. What you have to do? Draw number line. Draw the number line and represent the given rational number on it. Okay. Yes. Draw the number line and represent the given rational number on it. Yes dear. Then first part it is given that what is the given rational number? 3 by 4. Okay. Now first you tell me that this 3 by 4 is a proper fraction or improper fraction. Yes, it is a proper fraction because the numerator is lesser than the denominator. Here the numerator is lesser than the denominator. So therefore it is a proper fraction. If it is a proper fraction, then this value always lies between 0 and 1. It always lies between 0 and 1. It is 0. It is 1. Am I right here? Now what is the denominator? Look at the denominator. Denominator is what? 4. Then it will be 0 by 4. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is nothing but 1. Am I right? Here how many parts are there? There are 4 parts. In between 0 and between 0 and 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there. Are you getting here? So what you have to do? First what you have to check? First of all you have to check whether it is a proper fraction or improper fraction. If it is a proper fraction, then the value always lies between 0 and 1. Right? If it is an improper fraction, then we cannot tell that given fraction lies between 0 and 1. Okay. So 3 by 4. Here how many parts are there? There are 4 parts. So in between 0 and 1 there will be 4 parts. So first part, second part, third part and fourth part. Here we are trying to represent 3 by 4 on number line. So this is 3 by 4. This is 3 by 4. Are you getting here? Yes. Look at the second part, you will come to know that. Minus 5 by 8. Minus 5 by 8. So it is a negative rational number. Leave that. Now just you tell me 5 by 8 is a proper or improper fraction. 5 by 8. Yes, it is a proper fraction because the numerator 5 is lesser than the denominator. Lesser than the denominator. So it lies between 0 and minus 1. It lies between 0 and minus 1. Right? That means less than 0 and greater than minus 1. Less than 0 and greater than minus 1. Suppose this is minus 1. Okay? Somewhere it will lies here. Minus 5 by 8. Somewhere lies between 0 and minus 1. So here what is the total number of parts here? Total number of parts will be 8. So here you have to divide this 0 and minus 1 into 8 parts. So 0, then it is minus 1 by 8, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 8, minus 4 by 8, minus 5 by 8, minus 6 by 8, minus 7 by 8, minus 8 by 8. That is what? Minus 1. Minus 8 by 8 means what? Minus 1. Minus 5 by 8, first you write. Minus 5 by 8 lies between 0 and minus 1. Lies between 0 and minus 1. Here 3 by 4 lies between 0 and 1. 3 by 4 lies between 0 and 1. Are you getting there? Yes. Now you have to represent minus 5 by 8 on the number line. Here where is minus 5 by 8? This is minus 5 by 8. Minus 5 by 8. Am I right? Yes. Shall we move to the next part? The next part is minus 7 by 4. Minus 7 by 4. Minus 7 by 4. Okay. Now leave the sign. This is a negative rational number. First you tell me that 7 by 4 is a proper fraction or improper fraction? Minus 7 by 4. It is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So therefore it is an improper fraction. So you can, if it is an improper fraction, write into a mixed fraction. Write into a mixed fraction. So minus 1 4 is 4. Remainder will be what? 3 by 4. QRD form. Quotient, remainder, divisor. So minus 1 3 by 4. Then this minus 7 by 4 lies between. Now you can conclude. What is that? Where it lies? Minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 7 by 4. But because this is a whole number, right? Which one is a whole number? Minus 1. So minus 7 by 4 lies between minus 1 and minus 2. Am I right here? That means is 0. It's minus 1. Am I right? Minus 1, minus 2. Then but after minus 1 you have to divide into 4 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I right? It's 0. It is minus 1. Minus 1 means what? Minus 4 by 4 you can write. Otherwise minus 1 by 4. Am I right? Minus 1. Minus 1 by 4. Minus 2 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Minus 4 by 4. 0. Minus 1 by 4. Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Minus 4 by 4. Then after that minus 5 by 4. Minus 6 by 4. Minus 7 by 4. Minus 8 by 4. That means minus 2. Am I right? So it is minus 2, minus 1 and minus 2. So you have to divide into how many parts? 4 parts, because 3 by 4 we are having. So total number of parts will be 4. So 1, 2, am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I right here? Now what is that? 3 by 4. So this will be 3 by 4. That is minus 7 by 4. Minus 7 by 4. Are you getting the concept? Yes. Now look at the fourth part, 7 by 8. 7 by 8 can be written as 7 by 8. It is a proper or improper? So it is a proper fraction. So therefore 7 by 8 lies between 0 and 1. 7 by 8 lies between 0 and 1. If it is an improper fraction, you have to convert into mixed fraction, and after that, that value lies between the whole number and the succeeding of that. So 7 by 8 lies between 0 and 1. 7 by 8. So clearly we know that it lies between 0 and 1. So it divides 8 equal parts between 0 and 1. It divides 8 equal parts in 0 and 1. So 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4th part, 5th part, 6th part, 7th part, 8th part. This is 1. Am I right here? It's very simple. See, 0 by 8, 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8. 8 by 8 means what? 1. You have to represent what? 7 by 8. Then it is 7 by 8. It is 7 by 8. Are you getting there? So this is question number 4. So we completed the question number 4. Shall we move to the next question? Yes. The next question, the diagram is given for you. Okay. So we will do in a next video. Thank you everybody. Thank you.